All right, so looking at today's questions, we have to first determine if we have a quantity equation, and then take a look at if there is a numerical dollars equation. So looking through here, 3 senior tickets, 1 child ticket, total of 38. Looks like a pretty well-defined equation for us. So 3 seniors, 1 child, 38. And then the second one is, taking a look here, again 3 senior, this time 2 child, and a total of 52. So 3 senior, 2 child, total of 52. And then we are able to substitute or eliminate whichever one we prefer. So here we would want to distribute -1 in to get -3x minus 1y equals -38. We would see that our x's would cancel, left with a single y. We get an answer of y equals 14. Remember that y is our children. And then we go back to our equation and we plug back in, so we can choose the first or the second one. So rewriting this, 3x plus 1y, which is 14, equals 38. Subtract 14 from both sides, we'll get 3x equals 24. Divide by 3, get x equals 8. And this tells us that a senior is $8. And that's what they're asking us, the price of a senior ticket and the price of a child ticket. Second equation here, we are having 2 different of our school districts planning a trip. So Big Walnut does 1 van, 6 buses for a total of 372 students. And Buckeye Valley does 4 vans, 12 buses, 780 students. And we're trying to figure out the number of students for a bus and for a van. So van is our first term, bus is our second term. So if we multiply our first equation by -2, we'll get -2x minus 12y equals, and then 372 by 2, -744. So our y's cancel out. We have 2 x's, and that's equal to 780 minus 744, 36. So 2x equals 36, divide both sides by 2, we'll get x equals 18. So we'll see that a van can hold 18 students. We can take this and plug it back in. So 18 plus 6y equals 372. Subtract 18 from both sides. We'll get 6y equals 354. Divide both sides by 6. And we'll get an answer of y equals 59 students for each bus. All right, final equation here, Ava and Love. So we have small boxes and large boxes. So Ava has 3 small boxes, 14 large boxes for 203. And Love has 11 small and 11 large for 220. So this is one of our challenge questions where we have to multiply by our coefficients. So the 11 goes over here, the 3 goes here. Just have to make sure they have opposite signs. So our new equations are going to be 33x plus 14 times 11 is 154y equals 203 times 11 is 2233. And then we do the opposite for our bottom one with -3. So we can combine these up and down. We'll see our first ones eliminate. You get 121y equals 2233 minus 660. 1573. Divide by 121. And we get an answer of y equals 13. And that's for the large cost. And then we just plug this back in. So 11x plus 11 times 13 equals 220. So we'll get 11x, and I'm running out of space here, plus 143 equals 220. Subtract 143. And then space. I got 11x equals 77. And then final answer here is we'll get x equals 7. And that's going to be our small cost there. So those are our answers. That's what we got. Hopefully the study guide helps.